Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another video. Before we continue with the box, I would just like to remind everybody, please consider subscribing to my channel if you like my videos. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. So what we have for today's video, I know this is super duper late. We are already in May. But for some reason, this box got left behind and I just wanted to go ahead and unbox it with you guys. I figured I can just go ahead and unbox it, post a video up for you guys, considering that I received an email from Sephora letting me know that they were actually going to discontinue the Sephora Play box or Play by Sephora box. They will know, if I remember correctly, they will no longer be making or be putting together these boxes for the subscription. Now, lately, I have been seeing them sell the boxes on their website for, I think, like $10 or $9. And they have like random boxes. They don't specifically have like a certain month. It's just different combinations. And then they just have them on their sale for $9. And you can just go ahead and purchase the box. You don't necessarily have to have the subscription. So I don't know if they're going to continue doing that or if they're just going to get rid of the box completely. I don't know. But this box here, price is $10 a month. And you get 5 to 6 deluxe size luxury samples along with a plastic cosmetic bag that I really find no use for. So that's pretty much the general information of the box. Then we always get a little paper here with one side product information, and then on the other side they usually have like a little theme. This one is class of 2020 because I don't know why, but class of 2020 on one side, and it just gives you like random information. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that aside, and then it looks like this time around we got some stickers. It says, one says Sephora Forever, SPF Always, Beauty Heaven, just pretty much little stickers, you know, that have to do with Sephora. So I'm going to put that aside as well. And then we have our little bag here with, you know, this time it's like an orangish, reddish kind of color. And I'm just going to go ahead and go in. I'm going to go ahead and grab this one. It is not the first time we receive one of these. This is Dr. Drew Wales from Origins. This is the Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion. So I maybe have like 3 of these little bottles and, you know, stored away where I have all of my other products. So I'm just going to go ahead and add another one to my collection. I'm going to go in and grab this one here from Shiseido. I think that's how you pronounce it. This is Urban Environment Oil-Free UV Protector, and it has a broad spectrum of SPF 42. So this one, it also says here on the top, is anti-aging and UV care. So it's obviously supposed to help your skin not get sun damage. We just get a little tiny bottle, and it has a sticker on top. I don't know why they put the sticker on top. Or it's actually not sticking. I don't know. This is weird, but it has a little flappy thingy there. And on the inside here, it just pretty much tells you the directions, which is just apply 15 minutes before you go out to the sun. And then you have to reapply. So this is just in like an SPF kind of cream for your face. Then I'm going to grab this one here. And again, it's not the first time we get one of these. This is Their Real Mascara from Benefit. And I actually like this mascara. The way that I use this one is I put on the regular mascara that I use. And then I add a second layer and of this one. So this one here, I do find it to give my eyelashes like extra length and volume. So that's the reason why I really, really like this one. The only thing that I don't like this one is when it comes to taking it off. Once you have to take it off, it's a little bit more difficult. You have to use like an oil, or I actually have like also another little sample from, I want to say it's Tarte, or I don't know if it's also Benefit, but it's like a little mascara tube, but instead of mascara, it has oil. And you're supposed to put that on your eyelashes, let it sit for a little bit so it can break down the mascara, and then you can just go ahead and wipe it off. So that is actually really cool. I just don't remember if it's a Benefit product also or if it's a Tarte. It's one of the two, but I really like that product, and I use it along with this one whenever I do put this mascara on. I'm gonna go back in. I'm gonna grab this one. We're getting a lot of repeats today. This is from Believe, and this is the Moisturizing Eye Balm. I don't usually keep these. I usually give them away just because I have a lot of eye creams already, and this is not a big sample anyway. It's very, very tiny, so I usually just give it away. But again, these pop up in the boxes all the time. The last sample that we have is actually one that I really like. This is from Bareminerals, and it's a little tiny lipstick sample. We recently received one of these samples, and I want to say the Macy's Beauty Box. The last one that we received, we got that one in like a bright red shade. But this one we have in the shade Honestly, and it looks like it's more on the pink side. Yes, that is the shade there. It's more of a pinky, more on the more neutral tone kind of color, and this is a really nice color. I really like this one here. So that one is the last sample that we have, and then we just get our little bonus item. We have a lipstick sample from Kat Von D. There are 3 different colored lipsticks. I usually prefer to get a perfume sample just because those I know I will use. When it comes to these little lipstick samples, I don't like too much just because whenever I put a lipstick on, I like to carry the lipstick with me for the rest of the day just in case I need to reapply. If I put one of these on, there's really no way I can kind of carry this with me just because even if there's anything left over, it would get a little bit messy, I think, if I put it on my purse. But I don't know, that's just me. So this is the last thing from the box, and that's it. Those were all the products that we got here. Honestly, not a big fan, being that this was the last box, if I was correct, and if this is their last box, I think they should have done something a little bit bigger, kind of go out with a bang. But it just kind of seemed like a regular, like, kind of box, like a boring kind of box. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this one down below. Honestly, they could have done a lot better for their last box. It just kind of seemed like they were like, okay, let's just throw these last samples that we have left so we can kind of get rid of some. And this is what we ended up with. So that is all for me for today. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. I will be back really soon with another video, and I will see all of you guys back here next time. Bye.